Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be checking out these new Majorette Porsches. On the bottom we can see there's a 5-pack Porsche edition, and then on the top is a single Valiant Porsche 934, and we will check these all out. I'm going to pull them out of the pack, but I'll show you this one first. Both of them I had purchased off of eBay. Someone was saying, I think on Instagram, that the 5-pack they found it at their Target. I really hope that's true. I know I used to be able to find Majorettes at the one Toys R Us near me, but then Toys R Us went out of business, so can't rely on that anymore. But these are 1/64 scale. It says metal body, rubber tires, licensed vehicles, opening parts, and suspension. We got a lot of Chinese. Actually, this one, I think it was this one I ordered. It came directly from China, now that I'm thinking about it. We have the Matchbox style or Tamika style box, which is kind of cool if you want to store it back in there. There is a 934 in the 5-pack. You can see it in white, the Brumos colors. I don't know how they expect you to get that out of it. Boy, that doesn't want to come out of there. Holy cow. So I could probably throw all that out. I don't know what's going with the glass. Something all over the back glass. I don't know if it's on the inside or what. It looks like it's thousands of scratches all over it. Does have suspension. Definitely a suspension on it. It has the very famous Valiant Rabbit, I think is how you pronounce that. Valiant. That's how it looks like it's spelled. Green livery. The only thing I don't like about this, from what I already, when I saw it online too, I thought, well, it could be an easy fix, but I don't care for the wheels. All right, so let's move on to the big pack here. So we have, starting from the right side, we have a 911 GT3 RS in purple, which looks great. One of these flew down my road here the other summer in that dark purple, and it sounded absolutely incredible. Still would be probably one of my top dream cars if I had the money. We have the white Brumos Racing colors, 934, Mexico blue, I think that's Mexico blue or Riviera blue, Porsche 718 Boxster, and then also the another 911 GT3 RS in, it says exclusive yellow and black, and then a Porsche Panamera Turbo police car on the end here. So I will take them all off this. Oh, it's just rubber bands, I guess, holding it on good. Okay. Well, that won't be so bad then. So let me take them all off the stand here, and we'll get them up on the turntable, all of them. All right, as we can see, we have all 6 of them up on the turntable. 5 of them obviously are from the 5-pack, and it's really cool to see them out of the box or out of the packs. I think it's easier to enjoy them that way. So once it goes around here a couple times here, let me we'll take a closer look here at each one of them. We'll start here with the yellow GT3 RS. I think the major complaint with these Majorettes, no pun intended, is the wheels are really cheap looking, but boy, the cars are not bad at all, I don't think, for the money. Oh, and the doors, the doors open up. The doors open up, so that's really cool. But not bad at all. The details. Lots of potential, definitely, to swap the wheels out. But unlike Hot Wheels, we have, you know, all the gills, all these vents are painted in. Hot Wheels, they don't have that on theirs. So I think this 5-pack was $20. I think is what that retails for. So you're figuring $4 a piece. Not bad at all. So a little more than Hot Wheels, but they I think they're made very well. I mean, the details on this one looks great. The wheels on this looks really, really good. I love the wheel choice on this one. This probably is the best wheels out of all of them. And I always love the dark purple. Man, that thing is just wicked. I would love to have a real one of those. So cool. Yeah, the wheels are kind of strange, like the way they did the tires. There's like a seam in the middle. I guess that raised seam is to make them roll faster. But the wheels itself look really good. I don't think any of the other ones. I think this is the only one that has that wheel option on it. Oh, I guess this is the same wheel here on the Brumos Racing 934. See the back, that's really well done too. The back, the long reflector, and the lights look really well done on it. And it looks like, I'm pretty sure there's clear plastic in there where the headlight buckets are up here. I'm impressed. I mean, they're really cool for the money. This one doesn't have scratches, thankfully, all over the rear glass like the Valiant one. I don't know what the deal is with that one, why it's so scratched up. The rear glass is kind of like foggy too. I don't know. I think that could be polished out pretty easily. But this Kremer one looks really cool. Just the wheels are absolutely awful on it. But boy, is it a lot of details and nothing's crooked on it. Really nice. Yeah, these are a little nicer than I thought it would be. Honestly, I think they're really nice. The Panamera, now this is for play with, you know, kids. Obviously, it has a big hitch on the back there. But those wheels aren't too bad. It's got chrome lip with a black 6-spoke centered wheel. Actually don't look too bad, the wheels. It's pretty cool. The gloss black, I mean, the black is really shiny on it there. Let's take a look at the Boxster. I love this design. This and the Cayman, I always say it, and I'm still gonna, probably in the next year or two, I'm hoping to get a Cayman. Obviously, it'd be used, not a brand new one. I'd love to have a GT4 Cayman, but I don't think that's gonna happen, not at $100,000, but definitely on my bucket list is to have a Cayman. If I'd find it in a Boxster in this body style, possibly I would get a Boxster, maybe in the dark gray, but I really like to have a Cayman. I thought maybe this top came off. I think this is Mexico blue, I think they call this. I passed one just like this last week, Boxster in this light blue. This is Riviera blue or Mexico blue, I forget what they call this. I think this is Mexico blue. The wheels are not the greatest on this one either, but definitely has potential. I thought the top came off, maybe not on this. Maybe if I don't want to break it, you're trying to pull it off the back there. Doesn't feel like it's going to come off. But it even has the little Porsche logo on the back and says 718 Boxster. Really nice. Now this one here, the doors don't open, but it says moving parts. So maybe it does come off because it doesn't have any other moving parts to offer. God, I know I'll end up breaking it, my luck. That's okay. We'll leave the top on. So there you go. That was a kind of a semi-quick look here at 6 different Majorette Porsches. I'd always wanted to review these. They've been out for a couple years now, but finally got around to it. Unfortunately, cannot find them around my area anywhere to buy, so I have to resort once again to eBay. But I highly recommend these. They all look really, really nice, and they will look great in my Porsche 164 scale collection. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free, it can't be free, and hit the bell for notifications. I will be having a big sweepstakes thing coming up here soon, probably 3 different lots I'm giving away to celebrate 10,000 subscribers, which hopefully happens here soon. The only caveat, is that the word? I don't know. You do have to be a member or subscriber, I should say. I don't know why I always say member. You do have to be a subscriber to the channel in order to win, and I will be checking that. If you win and you're not a subscriber, I'll just have to roll the dice again or whatever, the program, the app that I use, and we'll just do it again. But it should be pretty cool. I gotta come up with all 3 lots of, it's gonna be lots of goodies though. And so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be here shortly. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and supporting the channel. I'll keep doing as long as you guys watch. I'm headed towards video 500, believe it or not. Pretty crazy when you think about it. All right, so thanks again. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good night. Bye now.